Okay, so today we're looking at Amazon's cheapest kid electric motorcycle. You guys can see this probably was not designed for adults. 10 mile per hour, 12 mile per hour, 15 mile per hour, 7 freaking miles of range, and there's a rad live video. Dang, let's definitely check this out. See how good this is.
3 years of design and development, long distance range, 7 miles.
Freak.
Single charge.
Dang. That's high quality right there. I don't even think I can get that good of footage. I'm gonna try to out footage them though, this video for sure. So anyway, this is the Viro Rides motorcycle for kids. Yeah, let's just get it out of the box and see how it is. It's also not all that heavy. Then again, I lift weights every day. And for once on the channel, I actually bought this. I did not get this sent to me for free, unfortunately. All right, let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at, man. Oh, dude, this actually doesn't look half bad already. How about that? For $498? Freak. There it is. That actually looks kind of cool. For $498? Huh, freaking got a headlight and everything. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm already a happy customer, dang. I just realized I just picked this thing up with one hand. That's how heavy it is. You wanna know how small this thing is? This is to hold the whole steering column in. I mean, so far, this thing is actually pretty sick. That's a pretty stiff seat though, I'll tell you what. Luckily, you can only ride 7 miles on it, so by the time it's dead, you know, got a freaking huge 250 watt motor in the back there. Got the most sturdy steering column I've ever seen in my life. Freaking high fashion paint job, powder coating. Dang, dude, there's so, you know it's good when there's that many labels on it. Okay, anyway, let's set this thing all the way up. That cleaned it right up. And this right here is the charger for it. Tiniest charger I have seen for an electric anything for a long time. Before returning your product, stop. If the product sucks, we don't want you to return it. Well, here it is. How about that? The Viro. Kids electric motorcycle. How about that? Let's take a second out to thank today's video sponsor, Skull Bliss. Skull Bliss is a place that you can get handcrafted, decorative, ethically sourced skulls, which are the perfect touch to finishing off any room in your house. So this right here is their ram skull. Obviously there's a variety of different skulls out there. You can also choose the finish, and you can choose if you want to buy a mounting option for like the wall or a table mount, that kind of thing as well. So there's a lot of different options for you, but you guys can see here coming real close. Look at this awesome, like handcrafted, carved out design on this ram skull. And overall feels really good, really solid. Super cool decorative skull, super cool company to work with. So if you guys are looking for some fresh decor to spice up that garage or your office or your house, definitely check out skullbliss.com. Super cool company to work with, and our discounts going on right now on the website, so go check them out now. So thank you Skull Bliss for sponsoring this video, hugely appreciated, but let's get back to it. Look who just got here. His Lord Kurt.
It's actually pretty sweet.
I know. Not bad, huh?
It looks pretty high quality.
Yeah, not bad. Go ahead and touch it. You might change your mind on that, but
Plastic.
nah, just kidding. It's just small. It's definitely good stuff, but like it's just small.
So in my mind, this is like the direct competition to Razor, because Razor's had almost no competition for any kids' motorcycles in that market.
Oh, true. Yeah. Okay.
This has in like significantly higher quality components.
Uh-huh.
The Razors, I don't know how they get away with what they do because they're fairly trashy.
Yeah.
So this is actually pretty sweet.
Yeah. So I just got it. This is like literally the first time I turned it on.
Yeah.
I definitely just outdid their promo video with high quality footage, and we're ready to plug this thing in. And it says 7 miles of range, and it says top speed is 15 miles per hour. Obviously, we don't have a kid here.
Yeah.
So obviously, we are going to be. I'm 6'3" and 190 pounds. This guy's like 6'3" and
5'10".
510 pounds.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this plugged in, and once it's on a full topped off charge, we'll bring you guys back. Right now it says it's like pretty empty, so I think that's
It's got a cool headlight though.
okay. Yeah, I know, considering it's a really cheap, actually semi-decent little thing. Yeah, I'm surprised it has a headlight and tail light and everything. Little tiny battery pack in there, little tiny hub motor back there, little tiny charger port right there. Yeah, let's get this thing charged up and take it out and have some fun. Turns off the bike, apparently.
That's
while
good.
you're charging it. And look at that, it has an LED indicator. How about that?
I'm curious how the controller works, if it's got variable speed or not. No Razors have variable speed.
I feel like it has to. It says on the box, it says 10, 12, and 15
Well, it's
miles
got
per hour.
settings, that's true at least.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you know what? It might actually have a variable speed, which is a huge upgrade, because it is a brushless hub motor.
Yeah.
Huge upgrade from Razor, because Razor doesn't. It's got a brushed motor, and it's just on or off.
Gotcha. Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. It only has one switch on or off, so I couldn't tell you. I mean, it could be that you control it with an app, and you can like limit its top speed as a parent with an app or something.
Well, it did say speed settings 1, 2, and 3 is what it said.
Oh, okay. Well,
So it must have some way of controlling
it's
that.
gotta have something.
So.
Might even be like a physical switch underneath here or something. Oh yeah, here it is. Check this out. Screwdriver thing underneath here. I don't know if you can see that right there. Check that out. It's like a little screwdriver slot. And it says 10 miles per hour, 12, and then 15. It's on
Gotcha.
15 right now. So
That's a good place to keep
That's
it.
the best setting for it, obviously. Cool. We'll get this thing charged up and take it out to the road and see if it will snap if we jump on it. Oh, check that out. That charged fast, dude.
Yeah,
That
it's
was
4
like an
hour. It's 4 hour charge time, but it was like
okay.
empty to full. It's 4 hours.
Yeah, it was pretty quick.
It was only like 2
Anyway.
bars down.
It's pretty much full. All right.
It actually looks not too bad on a dude. Like it looks like a normal pocket bike.
Yeah. 45 psi max.
These are like normal bike tires. Honestly.
Let's put them up to like 40.
Whoa.
She's fully mobile now.
Honestly, it's probably better though that I am wearing gear, because if this thing is flimsy enough and breaks with a 6'3", 195-pound dude on it,
He keeps getting heavier and heavier each video.
He's fat.
so tiny it's not even funny. Here we go. Oh, my knees don't really fit.
Watch out for the car.
Watch out, don't get me.
Oh, he just waved at you, Dean. He's got a cargo.
Oh yeah. 12 miles per 13 miles per hour. So fast. It is doing 15 though. That's not awful. And I'm hitting 15 as a 6'3", 190-pound dude.
Oh, he's cool. I want to try it.
That was full brake right there.
Wow. Was that max speed?
That was super fast. That was max speed. That was 15 miles per hour right there.
That's what they say. Did it show 15?
That said 15. Yeah. I don't know how accurate that is. Oh, freak.
Narrow.
Dude. Which one looks better?
Just kidding.
The one that's on the kick.
This one obviously looks better.
That one looks really cool, actually.
I know, right? That's not bad.
No, this little kid's one.
Oh, got it. I
The
thought
little
you were
kid one
talking
looks really cool.
All right, guys, get on there. The other one.
That's hilarious, dude. Which one you want to get on? I got the kid one.
It's full throttle on this one, too.
If this actually does 7 miles at full throttle, you could legit, as an adult, just tear up the streets with this thing. What in the world? Oh no! That's the cheapest e-bike from Amazon right there. This is the cheapest kid scooter. Kid electric motorcycle.
You guys gonna race?
What?
Are you guys gonna race?
Yeah, we better. Alright, line it up, bro.
Wait,
One lap.
I lost it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, man.
11, 12, the 13. This thing's fly, man.
Oh gosh, I'm just kidding.
Swear.
So fast.
It feels good.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
It
Like,
feels sturdy.
uh-huh,
It would be bulletproof if you were a lightweight little kid, you know?
uh-huh. Riding it's pretty comfortable too.
2 miles an hour would just be fast.
That's funny.
It's got no problem getting up to 15 miles an hour, though, with a full-size adult on it.
Yeah, not
It
bad.
feels sturdy. Like, I don't feel like I'm riding it, it's gonna break.
Uh-huh. Pretty good off-road too. But I wouldn't recommend you climb hills with it. It can't really make it up the garage. Or it doesn't quite get there.
I feel like it's not designed to carry fatties.
It's almost like it's for kids.
But the fun part is you actually can kind of ride it as an adult.
It's light though. Could throw it in an SUV or something. In case I didn't show it yet, here's the power switch. Turns the bike on and off. The little adjustment things under here for the speed setting. And that's pretty much it. We rode it about 1.5 miles already and it's still on the same, it dropped 1, but that's mostly probably because of voltage sag, but it's actually probably pretty accurate as well. So 1.5 miles or something on this charge, and you guys can see it hasn't really affected it much. So I would think that 7 miles is a fair estimate. I'm not gonna kill it completely because, you know, it's not made for going super far distances. It's for kids, you know, that kind of thing. But yeah, but I could imagine it will do 7 miles, especially with a light rider. Well, there you guys have it. This is the cheapest kids electric motorcycle from Amazon. It's actually not bad. It actually works fine for adults too. So yeah, so you have it. Decently high quality for like 500 bucks. I don't know, I think it's like 520 after taxes or something. But anyway, there you guys have it. Pretty decent little bike.